In this video, I want to quickly mention about assigning values to unloaded elements. For example, on form 1, if I run it, before going to the next, my user form 2 doesn't actually load it. But let's try, could we assign any values? For example, I double click on the next button and I say user form 2 dot caption equal, let's add some string first, welcome space and the text box 2 value, text box 2 dot text. And of course after that I want to unload me and user form 2 dot show. Okay, and let's try, is it working? I say Alex 123 login, I agree, and it's still not loaded. But if I click, as you see, say welcome Alex. So in action, even didn't loaded form and didn't called before, you could assign some pre-values, which is called also initializing that.